the rush hour traffic, everybody has gone off. I have the lovely Malaysian flag here. Okay, so what is the whole thing about? You know, our hashtag is Sayangi Malaysia Cool, Love Conti. Now, this year's theme for Merdeka is Sayangi Malaysia Cool, right? We all love Malaysia. This is the whole new Malaysia. And what makes us love Malaysia is the beautiful places that we have, the food that we have, the culture that we have, correct? You know, you have, if you stay in Kelantan, you have nice places in Kelantan that someone from Selangor wouldn't know. If you stay in Johor, there are places that we wouldn't know. So, there are all these amazing places around Malaysia that we all enjoy and love. So what we are doing this round is we want to shout out about this, and we want all of you, wherever you stay, the food that you have across the street, the tree in front of your house, things that makes you love Malaysia, share it to us. Take a picture, post it up on Instagram, hashtag Sayangi Malaysia Cool, Love Conti. Why Conti? Because Conti is doing this contest for the whole month of Merdeka month, and we're giving out prizes. 1 week, every week we'll give out a GoPro for those who post the most nice ones. And then towards the end there are tires to be won. So why Conti? Because think about it this way, the places that we love, the places that we go in Malaysia, we go by car, right? And what allows us to travel, to go the distance, is actually our tires. And there's a strong connection to where we're able to go, how much we're able to love and explore Malaysia. And it's with our cars, essentially. We are a car guy nation. We love our cars, we love our country, we love driving around, we love traveling. So guys, share your pictures, your videos, hashtag Sayangi Malaysia Cool, Love Conti, and join this contest. You get to win something. We will publish every single picture that you post, and we will create a page for you, so and collect all your postings across the whole month. Thank you for everything. Yeah, cheers.